Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I was live with Mrs. Gigi and we did a prompt game. We did 2 rounds, but I seem to have lost. Oh, okay. Here's round 1. We did 2 rounds, and what it is a game that we play by picking words and then like doodling on paper. Okay, so I'm gonna start with round 1, which we did swirls, lines, the color purple, stamps, image, which is any kind of image unless it's specified, inspired, plant, or succulent. And these 2 sets of prompts were chosen by mostly by the audience. Okay, and here's my page for prompt 1. What I'm gonna do is take page 1 and 2 and put some washi tape to make it a signature to go in a junk journal. Okay, so now off to number 2, prompt round number 2. We had lace, shape, arrow, happiness, bird image, flowers, and doodle. Okay, here's my lace. And my first shape was a star. And then we started with arrows. Happiness, I drew a smiley face. Then we had bird image, flowers, and I doodled some flowers all over the place. And I had doodled some hearts. A salt and pepper shaker, a mason jar. You know, it's different things. But like I always say, I'm going to redo these prompts in a different video. And it doesn't matter what order you put the prompts in, they're still part of a game. So I'm going to show y'all a different way how to do the prompts, the same exact ones, but in a different way. So I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Also, please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be well. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.